Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Esign application. Very easy method. All iOS device working without revoke this method. So first I will show you my iOS device is 18.2 and this was working all iOS device. You just open this app store. This is premium application is my IPA store. You just click, there is scroll down and select Esign application. You just select this Esign application and you just click Esign and scroll down, select Arabic language and install button. Just you need to wait few minutes, then this Esign application install start now. You just wait and properly install done without revoke. So now I will show you how to you buy this Esign application. This is paid $10 price for 1 year's valid. You just click this video comment box and click the link, come my telegram and buy from me Esign application for 1 year's valid. Thank you, bye bye.